Hello, everyone. My name is Nicholas, a junior majoring in accounting, minoring in business law at St. Peter's University, Jersey City, New Jersey, and welcome to my channel. I am here to help students in their accounting classes by not just giving you the answers to the problem, but also showing you how to solve the problem. In my channel, I'll be utilizing Excel to solve the problem and to enhance your knowledge in spreadsheets to help prepare accounting/business majors who are going to work in a Big Four accounting firm or a general business setting. And in order to get started, let's find out what is accounting and why is it important. So what is accounting? Accounting is generally known as the language of business. It is how your business records, organizes, and understands its financial position. It tells you whether or not you're making a profit, what your cash flow is, and what the current value of your company's assets and liabilities are. And some accounting terms to know. Journal entry. A journal entry is the act of keeping or making records of any transaction that a business makes day to day. And how do they record these transactions? They use debits and credits. And as you can see pictured, this company debits their payroll expense pension account and credits their pension lending liability account. And that's how businesses record transactions day to day. Then we have our balance sheet. The balance sheet is the financial position the company is in at any given point in time. And how do we value the balance sheet? By the company's asset and liability. Assets are good. Assets are your cash, your property, your equipment, your receivables. Receivables are money that you expect to receive from your customers. Liabilities are bad. Liabilities are money that you owe to people. Those are your loans, your payables, your salary expense, everything. So it's always great to have an asset larger than your liability. Now we have GAAP. GAAP is an acronym for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, which refers to a common set of accounting principles, standards, and procedures issued by the Financial Accounting Standards Board, also known as FASB. Now we have CPA, which is a Certified Public Accountant, which is a license given to an accountant when they pass their state-mandated test. In New Jersey, however, in order to sit for the CPA exam, you must have completed at least 120 credit hours, have any bachelor's degree from an accredited school or university, have at least 24 credits in accounting and 24 general business credits. These general business credits can either be in economics, finance, business administration, business law, and these are the requirements in order to just sit for the test. In order to receive the actual license, however, you must pass all 4 parts of the CPA exam, have at least 150 college credit hours, and have worked at least 1 year or 1,750 hours under a CPA whose active license is from New Jersey or from a state that is substantially equivalent to New Jersey. And a good fun fact is currently all states are substantially equivalent to New Jersey. The experience, however, must also be in the areas of auditing or accounting. Last but not least, taxes. Taxes is the involuntary fee we pay to the government to keep them running. Good old Uncle Sam. Some taxes that we commonly know are income tax, which is levied at the federal and some state governments. Federal income tax is when the government imposes taxes on financial income generated by all entities within their jurisdiction, including individuals and businesses. Another tax that we commonly know are property tax, which is levied at the local government level. So a property tax is assessed by a local government and paid by the owner of the property. This tax is calculated based on the property and land value. Another tax that we are more commonly known to is sales tax, which is levied at the state level. Sales tax is a consumption tax imposed by the government on the sale of goods and services. There are, however, 5 lucky states that don't impose the sales tax: Alaska, Delaware, Montana, New Hampshire, and Oregon. Some taxes that we aren't commonly known to are corporate tax, which is levied at the federal and some state levels. This type of tax is imposed on the profit of a business. Corporate tax rates are now 21%, compared to pre-Trump's tax reform, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, which places corporate tax rate at 35%, which is the lowest it was ever since 1939. Another tax that we aren't commonly known to are inheritance tax, which is levied at some state levels. Inheritance tax is a type of tax levied on individuals who inherit the estate of a deceased person. Currently, there are only 6 states that collect an inheritance tax. These states include Iowa, Kentucky, Maryland, Nebraska, Pennsylvania, and of course, New Jersey. So why is accounting important? Accounting helps you plan for growth, personally and for your business. It is essential for securing a loan by the financial institution to make sure you can pay the loan back. It also helps you get paid by keeping track of how much cash you have on hand. What jobs can you get as an accountant? Just to name a few, there's bookkeeping, tax accountant, auditor, forensic accountant, budget analyst, and accounts payable and receivable clerk. So what does a bookkeeper do? A bookkeeper records the financial transactions and is part of the process of the accounting in a business. Transactions including purchases, sales, receipts, and payments by an individual person or the organization or corporation. A tax accountant is a financial expert who understands all the government rules and regulations that determine the amount of money owed to federal, state, or local agencies, and including international agencies as well. An auditor helps determine if organizations and businesses follow the rules, operate with integrity, and accurately present financial information. A forensic accountant utilizes accounting, auditing, and investigative skills to conduct an examination into the finances of an individual or a business. Forensic accounting provides an accounting analysis suitable to be used in legal proceedings. A budget analyst is someone who helps various organizations and businesses organize and allocate their financial resources by developing and executing a budget that suits their needs. An accounts payable clerk completes payments and controls expenses by receiving, processing, verifying, and reconciling invoices as they come in. And finally, an accounts receivable clerk is someone that ensures the organization receives payment for services offered or goods sold to clients. This typically involves sending bill reminders and statements to clients, posting financial transactions to an accounting system, and making bank deposits. And always remember, this is just to name a few. There's a lot of accounting jobs out there that is suitable to anyone. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. New videos will include answering chapter questions in the accounting/business law textbook, diving into general tax basics everyone should know, calculating your cost basis after selling a stock, especially after this coronavirus pandemic. A lot of people were selling and buying stocks. So let's figure out what your cost basis is. And please comment or send me an email and let me know what you would like to see. Thank you.